So I'm about to pull up the Bren tuning right now. About to put the first couple mods into the Victoria. So we about to pull up at the tuning shop, drop her off for a little while, let them do their tuning thing. We're gonna be making more horsepower in no time around here. So we're about to do an intake, different tune, probably different X pipe, and different pulley. So we are gonna be making that power. Just starting cracking the door open now. So we out here, we have Bren tuning right now. They're about to strap up this Mercy and put it on the dyno. We're leaving Victoria here. We're here. Bren tuning. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man. Well, yeah, so there hasn't been much narration to this vlog or whatever this is. My first video back to my car channel in a while, but I will give you the little backstory to this. So, me and my buddy Tommy with the Huracan Performante. So we were coming back from Mexico. We were in Mexico and we were driving on the highway. And, you know, we were just doing what car people do. We're just putting our cars on the line and see which one's faster. So after that, as you can see, the torque is instant. The car jumps. You know, the Zo6, the Corvette is, you know, it takes off, it jumps. But when I hit like fourth, he started creeping on me. So that was just eating away at me. So, you know, following this, you'll see what happens next. So I decided that I wanted to modify my car, but mostly because of that. That's what it's looking like around here right now. We got to put the Shelby up there. You're good. Yep. Yeah, exactly. It might be able to max out. It's pretty close now, but you're about there. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Let's see what it looks like underneath there. Clean as a whistle. See him.
You gotta be a man.
I just literally like struggled.
Don't mind all that stuff. It just got off the track. That's why I just came off the track. So don't worry, everything's good. I got these cameras all over the place. We're filming. This is what filming looks like. We got the camera guy hanging out the car, security in the truck, Hummer behind us, Porsche, Lambo.
film it. Dog Dynasty rocking it right now, boy. There's 3 GT3RSs here right now. Yep. The white one. The other white one. We're getting real tight in here. Squeeze it in there, Tommy. There you go. Look at them. They're like nose to nose. So Porsche Nashua brought these over for us. So we got these just in the frame. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. So we got. You know, this upper angle is dope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, you know, I'm just hoping for you that you get some,
There it is!
Oh, there's the beast.
There it is. So, yeah, you know, the end of this actually didn't get to happen. It's wintertime now. There's snow everywhere. My car is away. His car is away. As you can see, my other car is sleeping at his house right now. I'm actually working on getting a different car right now as well for the winter, so I have something so my sanity is still there because all my cars are away now and it's sad. Well, I have the S4 still, but you know, I need something else. I need something else. But anyways, we didn't really actually get to go back to Mexico and test these cars again. So when we left, it was moist. It was moist outside. So as you know, when you got big horsepower, wet roads or damp roads when you're rear wheel drive is no good. And I was actually just brand new tuned, so you gotta relearn the car. So you know, we really didn't get a chance to pull or to really get any good pulls in. But I could instantly tell that my car is it's crazy faster now. So anyways, I'm not going to give you too much information about it because I got more to do. But yeah, you know, just we did a couple of whoop-de-whoops in the parking lot, but we'll continue. It's something to look forward to. So next spring, when we bring these cars out, we're going to really see what's what. Because hopefully both of our cars will be running good. We'll get them out, have some fun. I'll have a couple new cars. He'll probably have some new cars. Yeah, it'll be fun. But yeah, just so you got a little narration of what the hell you just watched. That's kind of what you just watched in a nutshell.
Victoria. Yeah, it's a whole nother animal right now to tame. You know, I'll pay for the person behind me too. Thank you. It's just a whole nother beast right now. I'm trying to figure out how to tame it. That's the whole thing. It's crazy now. Like, it's got no traction like at all. Like, I'm trying to go. It's crazy. Like, that's 70 miles an hour. Like, I can't get on it. Literally, can't get on it at like 70. Like, without spinning. So, this shit is insane. Like, it's just the whole, like, you think like, alright, you just add some power in your car, it's just like, oh, it's just faster. Which it is, obviously. But it's actually not faster until you learn how to actually tame the power that it is that you're using. So, you know, I gotta like relearn the car. Like you do not have traction. That is insane. You just have no traction. Like, you literally have no traction. I went to go shift. Like I was just like a slight pull in second. You know, the same thing will happen in third. You lose traction. You gotta let off. Right? So we'll pull in third. 3 grand. On it. Oh my god. Like, this shit is terrifying. Holy crap, is this thing crazy? I was trying to see no traction. Broke loose with me on the highway at 90 miles an hour. Yeah, death trap. Gotta know how to drive. Got to know how to drive.